Do you find yourself stuck with too many options, overwhelmed, and just don't know what you really want in life? So, to help you out, and my student Ria, today I come up with a very powerful yet very simple technique called as elimination. Meet Ria, a PBA student who was stuck with the options that to go for MBA, if yes, which subject, or whether to pursue a job as many students are doing, or to follow her passion. So when she came to me, she was so overwhelmed with the options and she said me, "Ma'am, please help me out. I really don't know what I want in life and what I want in next step." So as we progress in the counseling session, I have given her a notepad and pen. So she assumed that I'm asking her to write all the options what she want in life. But what I did, I asked her to write all the options that she don't want in life. That she is very sure that this I don't want in my life. She was surprised. But as she started writing the options, she found a pattern in that. And me, yeah, I'm getting the idea. I'm having a clear idea, yeah. I don't want this, I don't want to follow this path. Like she don't want to go in finance. She never wanted to go into something where maths is involved. And even she don't want a 9 to 5 job. So while jotting down on what she don't want in life, she is having the clarity of what she want in life as the options are limited. Most of the time it happens that when we feel what we want in life, we keep writing, we keep making the long list, right? And that long list is really not possible to attain. So that's what the best idea is, be focused and have minimum options that you can achieve. So when you write what you don't want in life, eventually, progressively, you come to know what you want in life. And as the progress, the Ria find this technique as magical. She said me, "Ma'am, it's just amazing and I'm getting a clear idea that what the next step I can have in my life." So with this powerful method of elimination, finally Ria achieved her state of clarity from confusion and her answer as she want to go in brand management. So, dear friends, whenever you are overwhelmed with the thoughts, with the ideas, with the things that you want to do in life, just sit with a pen and paper and try this elimination method. And do let me know after eliminating what are the options that you are going to pursue in your life. Thank you.